Hello guys, this is Vysh. So the UPSC 2024 date is out, and even today evening I made a video where we are discussing about 2022 final result date, and that time I told you UPSC will anytime publish the 24 calendar, and that has come now. Okay, today 10th of May it has come, and I'll show you exactly in the UPSC website how it is present, and it will tell you all the things which is needed. Okay, so this is the thumbnail of the video which I made in the evening, and now again one more video I am doing. Okay. So we'll see. Okay, and I'll also tell you about the test series and the upcoming 10 steps which you have to do to start your 2024 mentorship with Vysh IAS. Okay, so first you have to go to UPSC website. Okay, you know this upsc.gov.in. This is the website. This analytic foundation I have already told, and that is also part of one of the step which you have to do today itself. Okay, so here in there are different tabs, right? About us, examination and all. So examination is the most important tab for you. Okay. So here everything, your active examinations, upcoming exams, previous year question papers. Okay, you cannot get very old question papers and all. You can get up to last 2 years or something, you can get it. And then cutoff marks, answer keys. Okay, now 2022 answer key and all is yet to come. Even the cutoff is yet to come. That all will come in the next 2-3 weeks time, it will come. Okay, then marks information also. Even the marks of what you scored last time if you gave the prelims, that and all is yet to be published. Okay, so here the first thing, calendar. This calendar, if you click, okay, here if you see annual calendar 23 and annual calendar 24. Okay, so both are active exams now. Okay, even 22 is an active exam, the result has not yet come. So this one, if you click, a PDF will come, and this is a very detailed PDF. Okay, this is published today only in 10th May. Okay, here you would have seen it. See here, 10/5/2023, it came today only. And here if you see all the exams, it's not only like only the civil service exam. Okay, any UPSC exam like the NDA or the CDS, CAPF, CISF, every exam, medical exams included, will be given. Okay, and this will be keeping on like revised. They will revise it, but the dates usually won't change, but maybe more exams will be included, or maybe the mains exam detailing will come, like that update will come. Okay, so here if you see, you need UPSC civil service exam, right? So if you see here, see number of days is also given. So your prelims is anyway, it's a 1-day exam. So if you see here, this is a 1-day exam on 26/5/2024. Okay, every time prelims will happen on a Sunday only. Every time it has happened like that for many years now. So this year it was meaning the upcoming 23 prelims, I am telling, it is in May 28, because that is the Sunday, last Sunday of May. Now again, last Sunday of May, the next year 2024, that is 26th May, it will happen. Okay, and the form filling, okay, you have to fill the form, right? So it is on 14th February. Okay, this year it came on 1st February. I don't know why this delay is there, but usually it comes on 1st February, and by they'll give some 20 days, and by February 20th you will fill the form. 2021 they'll give 7 extra days for updates, and then usually by end of February they close it, but here they have extended it to March also. Okay, maybe I don't know the reason. Okay, so 14th February the notification will come where you will fill the form, and also much before that you have to get your OBC certificate and all these things if you need for reservation and other things. Okay, so that and all, watch my videos where I explained about reservations. Then by 5th March it will end. You will fill the form and you are done. After that, within 2 months you will have your prelims. Okay, both the forest service and the civil service is on the same day, meaning it is the same exam also. Okay, it is a single paper, only the mains differs. Okay, prelims is a single paper, that is why in the paper there are a lot of environment, agriculture questions these days. Okay, because the forest service people are also giving the exam. Okay, and in this after the prelims, you know, you will have mains after at least 2.5 months. So you are giving this in May, means down if you see, your exam is a 5-day exam. So here you see 5-day on 29. Okay, that is 20th September. Okay, this year also it is it happened around 15th September or something. So 20th September it will happen. It's on a Friday. Okay, that usually happens on a Friday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday back to back will be there, and the next Saturday, Sunday will be there. Like that, 5 days exam. Okay, 3 days on one weekend and 2 days on the another weekend. That is how the mains exam usually conducts. Now here in between you will see this reserved date. Okay, many reserved bolded dates are there. That is in case UPSC like any COVID kind of situation or anything comes, if UPSC has to postpone the exam, these are the dates they will use. Okay, they have already done this in the 20 and 21 prelims. Okay, in case suppose here 26th May you cannot conduct it, their next possible date will be here 6/7. Okay, that is in the month of July they may conduct it. Okay, maybe if the situation is very worse, they may push it to this one 8th August. Okay, and again worse means October. Like that, they have reserved dates, and based on that reserved dates, your prelims will push, means obviously mains will push, interview will push, everything will push. So this is the calendar which is published now, and so now according to this you can start studying, and even I can start making the timetable for you. Okay, I was waiting for this only. So based on that, I will make a 1-year timetable, detailed timetable, which includes prelims plus mains together. so that you can study and then give the test also, learn properly. That complete 1 year thing which we always do, that we will be publishing, and that will be your one-stop solution for reaching your goal of IAS or IPS. Okay, so now 10 steps which I want you to do now. Okay, it's like only if you want to see our videos, if you want to learn from my mentorship, Vysh IAS guidance, our team will guide you, then only you have to do this, else you can stop the video here. Okay, so first thing is just comment under this video. Okay, if you are giving 24 prelims, so that we know how many are there who are at least watching this video are 24 aspirants, just comment yes 2024. Okay, and the same thing you have to send in my WhatsApp also. So first save our number. Okay, save our number as Vysh IAS. What happens is many people contact us every day, seeing our Instagram ads and here and there. You contact us, but after that you save it like UPSC 1 or UPSC 2, IAS class 1, because you will be saving hundreds of numbers. I know that everybody will be needing mentorship from multiple teachers. You, whatever you like and you see on the internet, you save their numbers, but then you forget who is what. Okay, but please don't consider this Vysh IAS as any just like another number. Okay, you should at least know whose number you are saving, so save it as Vysh IAS. Okay, so that, and Vysh spelling is this thing. Okay, that also many people put it like other like VYAS or VYUS and something and all, and then you will not know that this is the page which was once attracted you by the program. Okay, so please save it properly, VYSHIAS, Vysh IAS. Okay, so this is the number, and then there also whatever you comment here and you message there. Now in case you are 25 or 26 aspirant, do that also. Simply send yes 2025. Okay, put in the comment section here in YouTube and also in my WhatsApp, please send it. I want to have the list of people who I can potentially guide. Okay, based on that only I can send you the details. And then watch the foundation videos given on WhatsApp. First thing when you message us, right? If you are already messaged us, I would have already given you. Okay, but even then you can still message me. Okay, still yes 2024. Even if I given you WhatsApp foundation already, still just for me to segregate your numbers and group it together, send me this message. Okay, and then the foundation video, sit and watch. I'll again put a new set of foundations which in the coming days I'll upload one by one on YouTube itself, completely free. Okay, so that you can watch. And then after that, this channel, as I told, there will be some videos which only the subscribers can watch. That is the main reason we are asking you to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay, but most people think it like just for increasing subscribers. We are telling that because, as I told, more than 50% of the videos I've hidden it and only subscribers can see it. It's just a free single subscribe button. Hit that free subscribe button and hit the bell icon and turn on all the notifications so that you come to know each time when I upload these free videos. Okay, then follow us on Instagram also, because there are a lot of current affair thing or our upcoming videos, screenshots or any feedback which students gave, any of our students cleared the exam, all these updates with pictures and all are updated in Instagram. So Vysh IAS Insta is the page. Okay, there are multiple pages we have in Vysh IAS, but Vysh IAS Insta is for students. Okay, so you can follow this page. Okay, and then wait for the launch, which I will do mostly by this month end. I will put a 1 year timetable, Excel sheet timetable, which I do every year. That will tell you each day what to study and you just have to follow it. Okay, then enroll to the plan. There will be a test series plan, which is a paid thing. This is the only paid thing. There we will give you weekly or maybe based on the timetable. Okay, you will get test PDFs which you have to sit and read. Okay, simply read those things. Questions will directly come from that in the prelims. Okay, that will happen this year also. When this exam gets over 23, I will show you those. Okay, you simply search Vysh versus UPSC videos on YouTube. You will get our this thing comparison which we have done in the last year and the previous year and all. So enroll to 1 year prelims plus mains test series plan, which we will announce, as I told, by May 30, 2023, and then you can study according to that. Okay, so strictly study. It's not like you enroll and, as I told, you save our number just like a random number and forget about it. Then there is no point. Only if you are very serious and you like what we do here, only then you have to join, else please do not join. Okay, and give this prelims with full confidence. If you follow whatever I tell, this looks only 10 steps, but within each step there are hundreds of things to do. Like this foundation itself is a 25 video series, and after that I will do a new set of foundation for 2025, as there will be again a 20-25 video series. So like that, there are many things within each step. Okay, whatever instructions we give you, strictly follow that for 1 year or at least 8 months to 9 months. You will be clearing. Okay, it's not a very big thing to clear prelims and mains, but you have to do it consistently. Okay, because many people start something, after 2 months they get diverted, they go to some other institute, or maybe they take a break. Then it will be very difficult to catch up. You have to not simply add you in groups and telegrams and these things. This and all will give you some things, but that will never give you consistency. Consistency means you have to have a discipline. You have to follow a timetable, and that timetable I will be making and publishing it on YouTube for free. Okay, whoever want it can use it. Others, if you enroll anyway as a Excel sheet, I'll send it to you in your email also. Okay, if you enroll to our test series. So that thing by May 30, I will announce. Okay, so please do these steps. The first step, as I told you, save the number and WhatsApp me and put a comment in this, yes 2024 or yes 2025. Then we can take it forward. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.